Hey, what's up, guys? So they say you're not supposed to wear white after Labor Day, but I say learn the rules, respect the rules, but hey, I'm gonna do my own thing. I'm gonna wear white after Labor Day. Now, I know some guys may not want to wear white pants or a white jacket. It might be too flashy. Might wear a white shirt on the casual side of things, but a very cool and stylish way to incorporate white in your wardrobe are in your sneakers. So I'm gonna do that with this video featuring these white sneakers from Greats. This is the Greats Royale, and I'm gonna show you different looks where you can incorporate white sneakers this fall. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Now if you're wondering why I didn't do an unboxing and review of these pair of Greats, well, two reasons. One, I already did one like a month ago. It was the Greats Knit Royale, and it's a little bit too soon to do another one. But two, and most importantly, I'm gonna be doing exclusive content just for Instagram. And that's where I did it. I did an unboxing and first look of these pair of shoes right here. You can go check out my Instagram right now. I'm gonna put some kind of thing down here. It's fit.man.style. So if you wanna hear my thoughts on these shoes, go check out my Instagram. And like I said, from this point moving forward, I'm gonna be doing exclusive content just for Instagram that you wouldn't find here. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go ahead and follow me. But again, thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Today, by the time this video comes out, it's gonna be September 20th, Sunday. September 21st is my birthday. So tomorrow's gonna be my birthday. I'm gonna be 35 years old. And you know, you guys' continued love and support on this channel is a great birthday gift in itself. So I just want to say thank you to you guys. I appreciate you. I hope this 35th year is a blessed year for me. And I'm going to keep making content for you guys. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. And until then, stay fly and stay fit.